Good morning guys and welcome to a random Saturday in my life in Dubai. Let's go. And we have made it to our first activity today, which is actually in Al Quoz, so it's not actually as crazy as normal, but we are heading down to the circuit factory for a pretty heavy workout at 8:30 AM on a Saturday morning. I'm not going to pretend this is like every Saturday, so let's do this. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, as you can probably tell from all of the sweat on us, that was a really good workout. They have like a live DJ on a Saturday morning, so it's actually really good energy and stuff. But we are now going to head for some breakfast at a really popular spot that Eb found, so let's go and check it out. Well, I say Eb discovered this one, but we actually found it on the way. We actually found this one while we were going for a long walk. We were walking from Burj to Burj along like Kite Beach and all this river. I'll show you in a minute because it's really nice around here. And we discovered this cafe called
Orto.
What is it?
I don't know, but everyone says that the coffees and the matchas are really good. I don't know about the food, but it was really busy when we come past last time, so I reckon it's going to be good.
Let's check it out. Okay, so quick review. I had an amazing coffee.
My coffee was good actually.
Then I had an amazing acai shake. Now we're going to try a, what is it?
I think it's just an espresso tonic.
Espresso tonic, so it's like an espresso with water. But my breakfast was really nice, but very small. And then, how was yours?
I got a chia pudding and it comes with like a nutty chocolate sauce, which is obviously meant to be a bit more healthy. But they forgot it, and then I told the guy and he basically just bought me a pot of like melted chocolate sauce. It's obviously meant for the desserts. Yeah. So I had to stop myself from eating that,
but overall
it's really good.
Really good here, and the view's really nice. We'll take you down the canal once we've tried this weird drink.
It's fizzy. Is
it?
Yeah, the tonic's fizzy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, tonic espresso. What? That is odd. I don't think it's for us. So we're just walking along the canal again, and this is like one of my favourite walks in Dubai actually. So this is the Burj to Burj, where you can walk from the Burj Al Arab all the way to the Burj Khalifa, and you walk along this amazing canal, which Eb was just saying was man-made.
Yeah, so this actually, some of this used to be Safa Park, which still exists, but they chopped like it in half basically, and then turned some of it into a canal, and then that was obviously the sea, it is the sea, and then they just basically built a canal to connect to the bit near Dubai Mall area.
And were you here when this happened?
Yeah, I actually used to go to Safa Park as a kid with my friends, and yeah, we used to go in there like most weekends, and my friend actually lived opposite it, and I don't think our house is there anymore.
Wow.
And yeah, that part of the park is completely gone. I think there's a little bit left, but it's not the same, but the canal is obviously really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. Definitely worth doing this. We did it last week and it was a 2 hour and 20 minute walk, and I did it on Strava, so I'll try and bring it up here. I don't know. There you go. Okay, we're getting back in the car. Our next stop is Day to Day, which is kind of like a big supermarket department store thing. It's on Sheikh Zayed Road. There's lots of them around, but it's like super cheap, and it just has like everything: toys, food, suitcases, electronics, like loads and loads of really cheap stuff. And we need some random bits for the wedding, so we're going to try and see what we can find in here. 3 dirham for balloons. We could get some balloons. Honestly, it's just so cheap in here. It's like being in like Temu or AliExpress in real life. They have everything, especially for like home and kitchen stuff is super cheap. We'll definitely be coming back here when we're back. Okay, we made it back home and I had a shower, I'm ready, and I've been editing some YouTube videos because I'm trying to get back on it now. My channel was demonetized for a while, so I'm now back on it, so we've got a lot of videos incoming. But we are now going to be heading over to a beach club. It's just across the road. We're living on the Palm at the moment, on Palm West Beach, and apparently this is one of the best ones. Got a good deal. I'll walk you through it. Let's go. Okay, we're on our way to the 305 Beach Club, which neither of us have ever been to before. But we're just passing the Kill Mall, which is where Aura Sky Pool is at the top of the St Regis, which is actually where we're getting married in about 1 month's time.
Less than oh yeah.
No, but oh god. What's the 305?
305 is like a Miami inspired beach club.
Really?
Yeah, we love Miami.
Yeah.
So, it's cute. It's like pink and pastel colours. It's really
Yeah,
nice.
I've never even seen it, so we're gonna discover it together. We've crossed the road to Palm West Beach, which literally starts just here, but we're not even walking that far because this main building here is where the 305 is. I've also been to Gallery 740 here, which is like a Greek restaurant. You smash plates and stuff. That was cool. But now we're checking out this one. These are all the restaurants here. Okay, we've made it. There's a nice pool behind us that we can use with a bar and stuff, and then we're on the beach side in one of these beds like that. Our friends are actually joining us in a minute. So most stuff is like normal beach club prices, like 80 for a cocktail dirham, and then 50 dirham for a smoothie. So not the cheapest, but not too bad. So we've got a nice beach on Palm West Beach. We'll walk down to the sea in a bit and show you. But yeah, it's really nice. Well,
it's pretty cute. Very aesthetic, but it's very busy actually. I wasn't expecting it to be so
yeah,
busy.
it's actually rammed. But yeah, gonna get some drinks and chill out for a bit. We paid 550 dirham and they get 225 dirham redeemable back, so we can spend it on food and stuff. And they have Pop City, which is like my favourite ice cream. Oh my god. Okay, we've come down to the pool, to the beach, and it's pretty cold actually in the sea. It's like February and normally it's pretty warm, but the sea's pretty cold. We'll try out the pool in a minute, but we get a pretty incredible view of Marina and the rest of Palm West Beach, so winning, but cold. We made it to the pool. It's a lot warmer than the sea. Gone for chicken wings and Ed has got
Sushi.
that's right. It's done. Wow, they're really good. Oh my god, they're a 10 out of 10. It is now 7 PM and the whole place has actually gone completely empty. There is no one here. So we had a great time here. It was really nice for a pool day, but in the evening it kind of goes empty. But the whole of Palm West Beach is just down there, so we're going to go and see what we can find and what's going on. Yeah, good day overall. Reasonably priced, especially compared to Miami. We went to, what was it?
Went to Nikki Beach in Miami and we spent like 2,000.
We spent a lot of money at Nikki Beach in Miami.
2 people.
Yeah, and then here is like very reasonably priced.
Probably spend quarter of that for 4 people.
And there's a pool here. Nikki Beach do not have a pool.
Hot take.
So anyway, we're going to go and see what's up next. We are heading to the next place, which is going to be February 30, I think. We're going to grab a cocktail and actually get these little buggies for free on the way, hopefully.
It's very
Okay, quick buggy ride, and we've made it to February 30 on the Palm West Beach. Apparently they do pretty good cocktails, so we are going to check them out for ourselves. So February 30, you're not allowed in with flip-flops after 7 PM, even though it's a beach club, so that's insane. We're going to find somewhere else. We have discovered the biggest menu available. We've come to Coco Bay and we're going to try some food and drink.
There's a really good cocktail here, like a lychee cocktail, and it's very popular on Instagram. I don't know where it is. Oh, this one. Hello.
Hello. It's the biggest.
Oh. Up next, we are at the Marriott Hotel on the Palm, which is actually one of my favourites, and we're going to my favourite bar, which is called Above 11. It's like Mexican, Peruvian, like South American vibe, so they have some amazing cocktails and some great food. Let me show you. Okay, we've come to Above 11. We weren't allowed to go outside because we've got flip-flops on, but they've put some steam into the sushi. The sushi we've had here many times before, and I'm sure it's going to be incredible. So we're all going to share this little pot. Let's do it. Okay, so as you may have worked out, we got pretty drunk and then we're pretty hungover the next day. So a couple of days later, we're in a nice Marriott hotel because I'm doing a crazy video where I'm staying in 4 hotels in 4 days, and we got an epic view with a suite and stuff. So check that one out. But anyway, let's talk a little bit about the costs of that day. I don't want to think about it. So the beach club, we paid 550 dirham per couple, and 250 dirham was redeemable on the food. Then we spent an extra 650 dirham per couple on all the additional food and drink that we got. Then we went down to that next beach, and for 4 of us to have cocktails, it was 350 dirham. Then the Peruvian restaurant that I love, that didn't let us in because we had flip-flops, and then wouldn't let us out to the balcony but hid us in the back. Then we paid 450 for this amazing sushi platter, and then about 450, 300 for another round of cocktails. And then we ended the night, as we seem to always do, by going to McGettigan's, the factory on the Palm, down the road in the Marriott Hotel, and we spent another 1200 dirham between the 4 of us. So very stupidly expensive day out. We had a really good time with our friends. We haven't actually gone out drinking in a long time, so that was very nice. And apart from that, don't forget to check out all these crazy videos that we're doing. A lot more Dubai-based content up until our wedding, which is in 30 days now. Extra little side note, I've been filming this whole vlog on my new DJI Action 6. I bought this camera to travel with. Let me know if you think it's any good. And apart from that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys somewhere in the world next time. Boom.